This is trapezodial thread. Trapezodial thread means in thread form there are two types of thread, one in metric system, another is in English system or British system. So the same thread form is in English system or British system is known as ACME thread. Same form, the whatever diagram is given here, same thread form you will find in English size, means ACME thread. The only difference is in angle. Included angle is, here it is 30 degree. In ACME thread, earlier I have discussed in my old chapter, that was ACME thread. This included angle was 29 degree. How much? 29 degree. In English system, ACME thread known as 29 degree included angle. Just to modify it in metric system, the name is given trapezodial thread or trapezodial metric thread. Here the included angle is 30 degree. So this thread is used in different parts of a machine, in heavy duty machine, where the beds are moving on the tables are moving on the bed of the machine. There this type of thread is used. It is very easier to slide with the help of a nut to parts, heavy duty parts on bed of the machine. So this thread is used, especially when we are using lathe machine to cut the thread on lathe machine. So engagement and disengagement half nut in this thread is very easy. So that's why this thread in metric form, in metric unit, is called trapezodial thread, and English system it is called ACME thread. So here the same thing I told. This is top diameter, this is root diameter, earlier what I discussed. This is from here to here, perpendicular distance is called depth of the thread. Then this is root, this is top, or you can say this is crest and this is root. So in this thread, root is always flat, parallel to the axis of the thread. Top is also flat and having certain distance, this F. This is the pitch. This is pitch from this point to this point is called pitch. So how to calculate the depth of the thread? The formula is given here. Depth D is equal to 0.5 into pitch of the thread. Pitch and plus A means clearance. ACME thread or trapezodial threads are manufactured just to move body from one place to another place. Slides over the bed of the machine. So that's why if you engage a nut and bolt ACME thread, then if there is no clearance, it will not function properly. That's why slight clearance is always required. And what is that clearance? That is A, small a. There is a given certain pitch and depth and clearance. So by this you can calculate that this size F and C. F and C, crest flat length and root flat length are always equal. Is equal to 0.634 into pitch minus 0.536 D. This D. 0.536 D. By calculating whatever dimensions are coming, we have to maintain the tool front face is this size. Both these are the same. And we give the depth of cut. We give depth of cut in full, and we maintain this size or this size. If both places are same, we can maintain any of this, either this one or this one. Understand? So it is very clear. We have to make this depth of the thread is equal to this formula. We have to learn by heart, because in workshop you may not be able to get these formulas. Big workshops are having where these types of jobs are manufactured. Their chart will be fixed on the wall of the machine or nearby wall of the workshop for guideline of the operators to maintain all these things. So this thread form is very important. So these are standard, some pitches are there, and according to that depth, how much depth will be there, how much clearance will be there, it is mentioned in this chart. And if you want to make beyond this, say I want a thread to be manufactured, what will be the pitch? It is 4.5 millimeter pitch. Here, if 4 millimeter is pitch, then depth of the thread will be this much and clearance will be this much. But if you calculate 4.5 pitch, then in this formula we have to put here in place of pitch how much? 4.5 plus A will be, when it is not given 4.5 pitch clearance, so we have to mention this clearance. Because you might be seeing all these clearances are fixed 0.25 millimeter. Whatever pitch is there, pitch clearance is mentioned 0.25 all around. Yeah, 26 millimeter pitch clearance is 0.5. So when the pitch is more, clearance will also be more. When pitch is less, they have standardized up to 12 millimeter pitch. Up to 12 millimeter pitch, clearance is 0.25 millimeter. And beyond this, up to 26 millimeter pitch, clearance is 0.5 millimeter. Accordingly, we have to manufacture. To cut this thread, this tool angle 30 degree, it is very, very important. We have to maintain this angle and face. This is the tool face. So C or F. You have to maintain this size as well as this angle in a tool. Then only we will cut the thread. So ACME thread, sometime we set the tool and cut rough, means will not give any angle, just straight way square thread. This distance is maintained, whatever is comes out by calculating. So we will make this tool form lesser than the size actual comes in ACME thread. And then we will produce first square thread. Then after we will take this finish tool, ACME size, and then we will finish the tool. Because if you directly use ACME thread tool will take too much load to finish this job. And if the tool in between angle fix up, then scattered marks will be there. Job may be damaged. So that's why when we cut ACME thread in general, first we cut rough, means by a square thread tool, keeping C distance or F distance lesser than actual size. And we give depth also in minus sign. Whatever depth we have calculated, less than that we will give 0.1 or 0.2 millimeter or 0.3 millimeter less, and then we will finish this ACME thread by finishing tool, maintaining 30-degree angle. So before producing the job, it is very important to maintain the included angle of 30 degree. This angle is very important. I hope that you have understand this topic, and this mostly all standard threads are having some standard charts. In that chart you will find pitch, depth of cut, top diameter, outside diameter, core diameter, everything will be maintained there. According to that, mostly they follow it. So this is the end of this topic. I hope that you have enjoyed this topic. If you like this, please subscribe my channel, share my channel. Okay, thank you.